Today, we're here to debunk some of the biggest myths in plumbing. Let's dive right in and set the record straight. Myth number 1, flushable wipes are safe to flush. This is a big one. Despite the flushable label, these wipes don't break down like toilet paper. They can clog your pipes and even lead to costly repairs. The best practice? Toss them in the trash to save yourself from a potential headache. Check out this video if you want to learn more about it. Myth number 2, you can clean your garbage disposal by putting lemon peels down it. Sounds fresh and simple, right? Well, the truth is, while lemon peels might make it smell better temporarily, they can actually damage your disposal over time. The oils in the peels can cause the disposal's blades to dull and clog up the system. Instead, try using ice cubes and a bit of dish soap for a cleaner disposal that lasts. Myth number 3, a leaky faucet isn't a big deal. It may seem harmless, but a dripping faucet can waste hundreds of gallons of water per year. Not only does it add up on your water bill, but it also impacts the environment. So if you have a leaky faucet, it's best to fix it sooner rather than later. Myth number 4, chemical drain cleaners are the best way to clear a clog. While they might work temporarily, chemical cleaners are actually corroding your pipes over time, leading to even bigger issues. Instead, try using a plunger or a drain snake for clogs, or call a professional if it's a really tough one. Thanks for watching. We hope this helped clear up some common myths about plumbing. If you learned something new, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips from Rainforest. And remember, when in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a plumbing professional. We'll see you next time.